This is my channel, right? I can pretty much do whatever the fuck I want with this channel. Um, Rest and self-reflection. Today we are going to be organizing slash decorating the room in preparing to continuing on the YouTube channel, and as well as preparing my space for my business and for my music. So I'm super excited. I have to keep three main, I want to say three main careers or three main topics that I have to utilize this room specifically for. So it's gonna take a lot of work to just try to organize and figure out which way would be the best. I don't have as much desk space as I had before in comparison to what it was before, especially with all the exposed wood. A quick look. This is what it looks like right now. I don't know why I never did this before. But this is what it looks like. But yes, this is still fucking messy. I still gotta put it all the way. I got boxes over here. But yeah. So let's keep going. We're keeping the momentum, you know what I mean? Okay. So I'm obviously still fucking organizing. I'm saying that to prove the point that this is fucking messy as fuck. But again, the walls are bare, and I sort of feel like this wall, because this is the wall that is gonna have the blanket thing, and this wall is still kind of bare. So I decided to take some statement pieces that I personally like and of my own art, and let's see if it looks good on the wall. I feel like I should find more statement pieces. Give me a second. There's a lot of CDs that I have that have really helped me reflect on my own music and my own personal journey, and just the type of art that I appreciate and that I like. So you all want to take a look? Not that bad, right? You know what I'm saying? I'm really excited. I'm tired as fuck. It has been a long day, but we have done so much. We have done so much progression. So much. I love doing this. I don't know why. Look. We still got ways to go. We still got ways to go. But it's okay. And this had to be my fucking highlight. I love this shit. I'm gonna obviously have to add more lights somewhere, somehow. I don't know yet. But it looks cute as fuck. Alright, I'm gonna go sesh and have a good ass fucking dinner. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.